Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic recipe, and today is the turn of oven sievers. And it is so simple and yet so delicious that you're not going to believe it. So pay attention, we're getting into it. Let's get cooking. Vamos a cocinar. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do to start with our oven sievers is lay down the finely sliced potatoes, as you can see here. The finer the better. I mean, they don't have to be perfect. And we're going to lay them down on the bottom of the tray, like this. And we will do this until we cover the whole tray. And now that we have them all laid down, what we're going to do, we're going to add a good splash of olive oil all over the potatoes. And we will be covering them with water. So just plain water, pour it on the tray until we cover all the potatoes. Once that they are covered with water, we'll stick them in the oven 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Now that the sievers and the potatoes are in the oven, we are going to brown our garlic. And that's all what we are going to do. Just brown it. And when you get it, not burnt, but browny, toasty, we set it aside. And we let it cool down. Okay, so the potatoes are out of the oven. It's very hot. Now, when you take it out of the oven, you see there's not a lot of water, or it has dried out, just add more water. No problem. In this case, my one is fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my sievers. I'll put it like this, and I will salt it. As usual, I use pink salt. You use whichever salt you prefer, that's fine. I'll put a bit around there. And I'm going to put a bit of the juice over the fish as well. And then, once I've done this, as you can see, very, very simple, I'm going to put it back in the oven 180 degrees for 25 minutes. And this is going to be nice and tasty, trust me. Right, so the sievers and the potatoes are now cooked, and what we are going to do, we'll move them across to the tray. It's hot, just want to move them without breaking it. There we go. This potato, we'll put them here. So we'll move the potatoes to the tray. Now we get the garlic that we have set aside. We're going to turn the heat on, and we're going to add a bit of the liquid from the cooking. So whatever was left with the potatoes and the fish, we'll add it there. We put it low heat and we mix, and we'll get a little sauce. So I brought to the boil, and then I reduced the heat, and I kept on moving and mixing. It's smelling very garlicky, really nice. And what we're going to do, I believe the sauce is almost ready. We'll turn off the heat. We'll get our sievers. We'll move this there so you can see it better. And what we will do is we'll get the sauce and pour it over the fish with the garlic. It's going to be really tasty, really nice. Believe it or not, it's very simple. but very effective. If you want to, you can put some of other potatoes, but I just leave it like that. I think this is adequate. And there you go. A dish fit for a party. Sievers, oven sievers, the way my mom used to make it. Probably she made it better, but this one is a close one. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel, share on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest or Pinterest, I never know how to pronounce it. Make it, eat it, enjoy it, tell us what you think in the comments. It's really nice, really tasty, it smells delicious, and I'm ready to eat it. So, I'll see you on the next video. Bye!